It's not what you get from achieving the goal, it's who you become. You come up against your fear and your doubt and your disbelief and your shame, and know that that's part of it. A lot of times the thinking will sound like this: I don't know, I'm not sure, I'm confused, maybe this isn't the right thing. Those thoughts will block you from pursuing your dreams. I don't know is one of the biggest dream stealers of any thought I've ever come across.
Pick one and go. The very least, you will learn a skill. At the very least, you will learn what doesn't work. You will learn how not to do something. But if you pick something and commit to it, you will start to taste success and you will start feeling what that success is like. And then you'll be able to get momentum to create more success in your life.